We have been working at remodeling the Gappsi showroom for almost a year. We have divided our renovation in 3 stages: the front, the back, and the indoor. This is the front part of the showroom. We have displayed all new porcelain pavers. We are direct importers of porcelain pavers from Italy. Porcelain coping and natural stone coping. We have also displayed porcelain pavers for driveways, random sizes, and also individual sizes in many different colors. On this side of the showroom, we installed green synthetic walls and all our synthetic turf. We use this synthetic turf for sports courts, including soccer field, tennis courts, putting greens, for lawns and pads, grass specifically made for dog runs. We have displayed over 100 different colors of porcelain pavers and many different styles, including wood look and all individual sizes, hexagon style, and wavy side edges to resemble natural stones. We also installed 48 by 48 large size porcelain pavers as big as a 4 foot by 8 foot individual sizes. We have displayed our fountains and flower pot area. We've been adding more and new stuff. We carry all Henry Studio outdoor garden ornaments, including urns and benches. We have displayed a miniature bocce court. We built our bocce courts with synthetic wood sides, no nails exposed, and no warping over the wood, and no maintenance. We also installed a specifically made synthetic turf for bocce. We displayed our synthetic turf lawns and the putting green with more water features. We have playground swing set. We are dealer for Patiova playgrounds, a in-ground trampoline. We can build them in many different sizes. We have displayed a Metflex tiles. This is how we build our sports courts. We also can build with a synthetic turf specifically made for basketball courts or padel courts, and also comes in a few different colors. We have displayed our Dominators basketball hoop, the light with the horns. On this side we have displayed a mock netting, adjustable netting. This can be adjusted to be a pickleball, badminton, or volleyball. And the betting cage system with 1 5/8 pipes that comes in galvanized or block with specific netting used for bedding cage. We have displayed all the different colors of stains that we can use to restore old concrete or old patios, bringing back them to life with the new seal stain. We have also displayed all country lane pavilions, A-frame with the wood finish, A-Zuck pergola with sunshade for the roof or for the sides, pavilions with mellow roof, and also automated pergola, aluminum. Is a more modern look that can be customized in many different sizes and heights. And we also have our pizza oven. Gappsi builds these ovens. We can also adopt a steel flue pipe to make it go through a roof, and these ovens can be built on site. We can also engrave your name in the oven, and we can install a gas burner. We can build them on your platform, or we can also build the base for it. We are going to work on the back part of the showroom. This is the newly renovated Gappsi showroom in Smithtown, New York.